Hey guys, Nick here. Today we're going to go through how to put together a scatter plot. A scatter plot is just like this graph over here. It takes two variables and plots the relationship between both of them so you can see if there's any type of trend there. So in this example, we're going to be working with this made up HR data where we have employee names and details such as salary and hour worked per month. So let's dive right into it, right? Let's say we want to look at what the relationship is between hours worked and salary. And let's look at it specific to the hours worked in February. So what we do is just take the two columns that we know we want to plot, highlight them, go up to your Excel ribbon, go to the Insert tab, and then over here in the Charts section, right, there's this little graph that has a bunch of dots in it. It's called the Insert Scatter. Click on this little down arrow, and now you can scroll through the options, right, to see what each one would output. I like just the basic scatter plot. Nothing fancy. Right, so there's our scatter plot output. I'm going to do a few things to update it. I'm going to say salary by hours worked February, and then here the numbers, the salaries are a bit bunched up, so I'm going to say format this axis, and then I believe, let's see, where are we at? Under the alignment, we're going to say custom angle. We want 45 degrees. So now the salaries are set up at 45-degree angles. And that right there is your scatter plot. So you can see the relationship between your hours worked on the y-axis and then your salary on the x. So here, for the most part, you can see there is somewhat of a trend between working more hours and making more money. But then you also have these outliers over here, which you need to consider when you start diving deeper into the data. So that's the scatter plot. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Just leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like always, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.